We're gonna do another one of these talking videos. Hello. I spoke to my mom earlier and she asked, how are your students doing? And I said, so lovely. I just finished watching, like I do every month, the monthly challenge that my students do. And this past month was a special one. It was my favorite one because my students showed their practice. Lots of you showed your practice in one video, whether it was right hand fingering or trying a difficult passage or doing C to F to G, whatever it was, you took a video and then lots of you took follow-up videos. And what I loved the most was to see even the slightest progress, it being a little bit smoother, just showing your work. And so in this video, I wanted to say what's happening to the monthly challenge. It's March 4th. Where's the monthly challenge? And I wanted to talk to you about where I see the monthly challenge going. Some of you have been doing the monthly challenge every month for the last 5 years. You haven't missed a month. Incredible. I want you to keep going. Your streak isn't going to stop. What's changing is that instead of a monthly challenge, or in addition to a monthly challenge, we're now introducing something that I want to call the practice room. I want you to show your work. For me, I want to see the progress, your progress. I want to see Ken. I want to see how your Nacht in Gan Eden works. Ken's practice was the fingering in a difficult passage. Cindy, I'd love to see the follow-up to your saraband, right? Beautiful. I want to see how you're doing in that song. Every one of you that shared your practice, I want to see the follow-up. I want to see your progress. So the monthly challenge will now change to showing your practice. Whatever it is that you're practicing, whether it's chord voicings, whether it's a song, whether it's playing with feeling, you could do any of the old monthly challenges if you'd like. I would love to see that for myself, for other students as well. We never in our life learn by ourselves, learn in a quiet room. It's very helpful to see other people learning as well. Whether it's cooking, whether it's dancing, whether it's language, there's only so much learning you can do by doing it yourself. I gain a lot by seeing how other people do it. And within this lovely group that we call Accordion Love, we have this opportunity to see how other learners are handling their studies. All the way from beginners to I have music teachers as students, so that's going to keep going. Your streak will keep going. I'm still going to send you exclusive Accordion Love merchandise if you do 6 challenges, if you show your practice 6 times in a year. Good. What else is changing? Last year we did live learning, where for a month we learned a topic, whether it was blues, whether it was left-hand rhythm, whether it was whatever it is. This month, consider the monthly challenge. This month's topic will be nigun, which is the Hebrew word for melody. It's composing your own melody. So that will be both a live workshop with dates to be announced. That will be a lesson on Accordion Love. And for those of you that are looking for a monthly challenge, the monthly challenge will be to compose your own nigun in a similar way to the way that we've done it. But I'd like for you to show your practice. Again, oftentimes what we see is the peak of someone's performance. They've been practicing, they've perfected it, they post a video, and that's what we get to see. You can do that. There's a showcase you're playing place on the Accordion Love Forum. I'd love to see your finished performances. As a student, as a learner, it's more important to show your work. Just like when you're learning math. Great, the answer is 72, but I want to see how you worked out that answer. I want to see your practice. I want to see your struggle in working on the E minor voicings and working on tricky fingerings and working on dynamics. Good, that's what I wanted to say. So again, my mom asked me how my students were. I'm saying amazing. It's so lovely to see you working on your thing that you're learning, and I'd like to keep encouraging that. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the practice room.